tension members has two modes of failure. That is aside from block shear. Kasi it may also fail due to block shear. Another tamakon ko ng block shear, it is a combination of shearing stress as well as tensile stress. So the two modes of failure as defined in the recipe are the yielding on the cross section and tearing and the tension rupture, I should say, or tearing on the net section. So we have taken that the from NSCP, the nominal strength for yielding on the gross section is equal to the yield stress times the gross area of the tension member. And the nominal strength or the reduction factor P, if we will choose LRFD method, reduction factor P is equal to 0.90. And if we will be using the allowable stress design method, the factor of safety is 1.67. Now for tension rupture and the net section, the nominal strength is equal to the effective net area times F sub u, or F sub u is the specified minimum tensile strength of the tension member. For LRFD method, the reduction factor P is 0.75, and for ASD method, the allowable strength is equal to the factor of safety is equal to 2.0. The na-discuss already. But tension member, another tension member actually loaded. Tension members of truss member, tension members are tension members of truss. What else? Kita bracing system. Bracing. Yung mga tie rods. Especially nuti design na ko magka-trees are kuno. So kailangan ng tie rods doon, di ba? In the design of trusses, purlins, especially for industrial building, yung mga malalaki, maliban lang kung yung mga residential lang, we provide also bracing systems and tie rods. So in the case of let's say tie rods, the tie rods is a pin connected member or other bracing system. Ora yan, nagitay ko bracing system ti towers, kuman. O no the duma, nagitay pin connected member. Now for pin connected member, iba naman yung ito. the tensile strength for tensile rupture and the net effective area, the nominal strength is equal to 2 times the thickness, then B effective times the F sub U. For shear rupture and the effective area, the nominal strength is equal to 0.6 F sub U times ASF. Ano yung ASF? Yung area, shear area, which is equal to 2T times alpha plus D over 2. And in that case, both the tensile rupture and shear rupture has and reduction factor P of 0.75 for LRFD method. And for the factor of safety in the ASD method is 2.0. Yung reduction factor P na 0.75, the equivalent na the factor of safety data, bale 2.0. No 0.9, the equivalent na is 1.67. No factor of safety. So, yung B effective, naka-define dyan na 2 times the thickness plus 16 mm. Naka-millimeter data. D is the pin diameter and P is the thickness of the plate. The width of the plate at the pinhole shall not be less than 2B effective plus D, and the minimum extension alpha beyond the bearing end of the pinhole parallel to the axis of the member shall not be less than 1.33 B effective. The corners beyond the pinhole are permitted to be cut at 45 degrees to the axis of the member, provided the net area beyond the pinhole and the plane perpendicular in the cut is not less than the required beyond the pinhole parallel to the axis of the members. That is for pin-connected members. Pero yung I-bar naman, yung tensile strength, the available tensile strength of I-bar shall be determined in accordance with section 504.2 with A gross taken as the cross-sectional area of the body. Ano data? 504.2. 504.2 is yung sa una. Pero naman sa 1, yung I-bar, dalawa rin yung mode of failure dyan. Yung tensile yielding and the gross area and tensile rupture and the net area for I-bars. I-bars. For calculation purposes, the width of the body of the I-bar shall not exceed 8 times in thickness. Basahin yung talagidayan, nanduman. Now, regarding built-up members, for limitation on the longitudinal spacing of the connectors. Kasi the build-up members, like for example, the combination of sa mga malalaking load. Let's say, for example, truss members ng bridge. So, for build-up member, let's say, for example, combination of two channels. Tapos, pag naglagay ka ng cover plate sa top, for example, open sa baba. The open end of at the open side of the build-up members, you will provide lacing bars and tie plates. Lacing bars and tie plates are secondary members. So, for limitation on the longitudinal spacing of connectors between elements in continuous contact consisting of plate and shape or two plates. No build-up members ko na tayo pa, no tay talo nga plates ko tapos gawin mong H-shape. Build up pa din jay. So, pwedeng continuously welded yung web at saka planks. Actually, build up pa dito. Build up members. Adamo, tigi tayo mabalinmot nga ti build up members no kumatino saryo ka S-shape o no so gayati kung kuna yung nga I-beam. Now, kung wala nang available, yun lang pinakamalaki, tapos hindi pa niya kaya, pwede nyong lagyan ng plate sa top planks at sa bottom planks. So, build up members din yan. So, anong gagamitin mong connectors or connection? Mabaling nga fasteners, mabaling mo nga welded. Pag gagamit ka ng fasteners, dalawang lines of fasteners, then so, mabalinmet nga agusar ka ti kwayan di open and perforated cover plate. Ti perforated, di ba, dito abot-abot ang riga, perforated cover plates. Tie plates or lacing bars. So, the kunana dito ay either perforated cover plates or tie plates without lacing are permitted to be used on the open side of the build-up tension members. Tie plates shall be a length of not less than 2/3 the distance between the lines of fasteners. No, the distance between the lines of fasteners is, let's say, H. The minimum yung tie plate shall have a length not less than 2/3 of H. Ganon. The distance between the lines of welds fastener connecting them to the components of the member. The thickness of such tie plate shall not be less than 1/50 of the distance between these lines. The longitudinal spacing of intermittent welds or fasteners at tie plate shall not exceed 150 mm. So it's maybe lesser than that, or a maximum of 150 mm. Another things that we need to take note for tension members, yung for design purposes, yung slenderness ratio should not exceed 300. Slenderness ratio, kasi jay di 2001 edition and even in the 1992 edition, nga kuha nga minti nakakabil ng tatawan ti limitation na tinay slenderness ratio nga nakakabil. Pero kadagizay nga version, the maximum slenderness ratio for tension member is 300 and for compression member is 200. Dito'y nagkabil dito note, user note kuno na. So the slenderness ratio should not exceed 300. The suggestion does not apply to rods or hangers in tension. So dagitay tie rods nga may apply dito, dagitay lang tension members. Like for example, truss members. Also, the even sa built-up members, nagusar kay kung matitay plates kada lacing bars, that is subjected to tensile stress. So, because yung maximum slenderness ratio din dyan is 300. For the design of tension members in the 2001 edition and even in the earlier edition, limitan da idikuati kasta the gross area, net area, which is approximately equal to 85% of the gross, yung A-net. O susarang na dyan to ag-design da kasi pag hindi mo pa alam yung section at saka gusto mong magkaroon ng basis for the selection of the section by using the steel manual, then kailangan mo yung A-gross. Ano pa yung mga pagka-tension member, siyempre, pakukuha mo yung A-gross based on the first mode of failure, that is equal yung strength, nominal strength is equal to Fy times A-gross. And in the second mode of failure, the nominal strength is equal to F sub U times effective net area. So yung net area na ginagamit nila doon, A-gross times or 85% of A-gross. So makakuha sila ng gross area, which is the basis in selecting the trial section. Yung tatawan, awan pinakakabil nga note, kuna na pa lang dito eh. Yan basta. Yung section 5.10.412 limits A-net to a maximum of 0.85 A-gross connection designed for splice plates with holes. At siyempre no agpili ka ti section at the basis mo. So, balin mo nga sa runday jay 0.85 of A-gross makaala kay ti net area, makaala kay ti gross area from the first mode of failure and A-gross also from the second mode of failure, whichever is greater, isot usara, isot basis mo nga agpili yan ta table, steel manual table. So, bali, ganon. Now, let me explain the net area con effective net area. Also, ada kunana dita na no J kasta net area if the fasteners are arranged in staggered form, we will add and for each gauge space in the chain, the quantity S squared over 4G. where G is the gauge, that is the spacing perpendicular to the longitudinal axis, and S is the spacing of the fastener that is parallel to the longitudinal axis. So, for example, ito, gagamit muna ako ng plates at ito mapanti actual. Nakuha, no compression member son, o slenderness ratio mo tayo. Ewan mo data yan. Dati mo talaga yung pinaramid ko. Oh. Gagamit muna tayo ng isang linya ng fasteners. Na-delete ko gayang data. Delete ko muna yung dalawa. Tapos, move ko muna kunti. Oh. Tapos pagarigan, dati ko ma. This plate has is a tension member. Dalawang plate yan. Bali splice. So, kaya nangasawan, syempre, dati nagsaipan na tipo may nga rod, it's either welded or bolts or rivets yung ilalagay mo dito. So, if the width of this plate is 300 mm and its thickness is 10 mm, na yung connection mabaling nga dito iti pagtiran na dito maparte. Mabaling nga dito makuano pa dito makat. Mabati deta, partenad ta. Siyempre, dito'y magudwa deta. So, this is the location the net section. So, for this case, kas bagarigan, given the size na ita. If you are going to compute for the nominal strength P sub n or P sub n, so dalawa yung kwan dito. Nalakan to na may explain it. Dito lang ununa na mo te. Yung P sub n P sub n. This is for the modes of failure, yielding and the gross area. This is Fy times A gross. A gross. Now, what is FY? Kasi pagkarigan, gagamit ako ng FY. If we will be using FY equals 248 megapascal, then yung nominal strength is equal to 248 times, ano yung A gross? Plates nito, thickness na 10 mm and 300 mm to it na. So, 300 times 10. So, that is equal to manodeta. Makaala kayo dito, in yung resulting unit dyan is Newton. Tama? Kung gusto nyo na maging kilonewton yan, times 10 to the minus 3. Tama? Minus 3. To make it in kilonewton, pwede ring newton lang. So, resulting unit of this is calculator ko nga, hindi magkaroon ng calculator. Calculator mo man. No, hindi calculator. Hinalang nga tamang, letay. Calculator nyo man. Ano tawag? Mano? Oh, bale, times 3 lang tanto, 48. 744, di ba? That is 744 kilonewton. This is for tension yielding in the gross area. Tapos pagarigan, si F sub U at the range na F sub U, specified minimum tensile strength. This is equal to, let's say, 400 megapascal. Tignan natin. Ano namin tabulation at 30 po. F sub U. 348 megapascal. 248 megapascal. 836 steel. F sub U for 836 steel is from 400 to 500 50. So tama lang yung ginamit kong 400. 400. So yung second mode of failure is tensile rupture. In the net area. Siyempre, may isa nga line of fastener dito eh. Ikad no agtir ka dito eh. Sa word, A sub n is equal to groceryana cut ko, di ba? 300 times 10. So, mabalin nga net area is equal to gross area minus the area of hole time ay the diameter of hole times t. Mabalimot nga net width times t. Ano net width na? That is equal to 300 minus diameter of hole times t. So that is equal to ano t diameter of hole. Pag M22, tignan nyo sa table, yung binigay kong table doon, 1022, 8325 M bolts. Ganda nga sa 1, threads are not excluded from shear plane. And nakalagay dyan yung nominal tensile strength, FNT, and nominal shear strength for bearing type connection, that is 457. Tapos, yung table 5.10.3.3, tignan nyo, yung M22 diameter, the standard diameter nominal, the standard diameter is 24. Standard diameter dito standard diameter for M22 ay 22M for M22 standard diameter is equal to 24 mm. Now, the diameter of hole, may nakalagay dyan na the diameter of hole is equal to yung nominal diameter of standard diameter. Kasi adama kun standard diameter, dangamin detay oversize diameter. So, oversized diameter data, M22 is 28. Standard latat gaway punta yun. So, pag standard diameter, then yung diameter of hole, is equal to data 24 mm plus 2 mm. Nakakabilid ta, yan tayo ko ba? Kung tignan nyo yun, yung design of tension member design of tension member, diameter of hole, plus 2 mm, yung nakalagay, nasan na? Ibasak, yung A sub N regarding net area. In computing net area for tension and shear, the width of the bolt hole shall be taken 2 mm greater than the nominal dimension of the hole kunana. So ag plus 2 mm tayo. Dati tingnan nyo sa section 504 nandyan. So magiging 26 ito. 26 mm. Di ka detoy net area is equal to net width minus 26. Times the thickness, 10 mm. 10 mm ta thickness na nga naka-indicate, dito na eh. So, that is equal to 300 minus 26, 274. 74 times 10, bali 2740. 2740. Millimeter squared. Entity net area. Tapos, effective net area. What is the effective net area? A sub N. A times shear lag factor, di ba? A sub E. That is A sub N times U. Oh, anati, ti problema dito ay anati U. Mutay ti A sub N. What is U? Yung sinabi kong kung noon regarding shear lag factor. Tignan nyo doon. Yung mga provisions regarding shear lag factor. Ano nga table data? NSCP da agitek mo kailatan. Agrigat yag type. Talakaklak mo tagaram. Amo yun no. Face to face lang ko mauri. Jaga mga gararamit. Tikas takta. Data mo na NSCP sursurutak ya. No, dajay basic na amutay mo. At na adaltayan ta mechanics of deformable bodies, di ba? Isusurutan tayo lang ta NSCP. We must be guided by the provisions. Kasi dati kita minimum limitations na. So, anati shear lag factor na define dito yan ta table 504.3.1 imbag pa dito din. All tension member J case 1, all tension members where the tension load is transmitted directly to its cross-sectional elements by fasteners or welds. Except in case 3 to 6. Data shear lag factor 1.0 ita. Data number 2, all tension members except plates and where the load is transmitted to some but not all of the cross-sectional elements by fastener, longitudinal welds, etc. Pero haan nga isra to sa rin tayo kasi naka-indicated ta nga WM, MS, and HP. K7 may be used kung na dito, no data ka no. except for hollow steel section plate smooth data. All tension members where the tension load is transmitted by transverse weld to some but not all of the cross-sectional elements. So U is equal to 1.0. Plates where the tension load is transmitted by longitudinal welds only. Kuna na. Pero hanmat nga welds, tinusar tayo. Number 5, hindi ko applicable data. Data number 6, hollow steel section mat. Data number 7, naka-indicate ito yung WMSHP shape is. Duty mat number 8, single angles, if U is calculated per case 2, kung na. The larger value is permitted to be used. Kung na dito eh. So, it's either case 1 or case 2. The T bar X is the connection eccentricity. Tapos yung kwan, length of the connection. Length of the connection, bali dito yung kwa. Dito, manipo dito, aging gadita, iso the length of the connection. Ano sa yung kwan? Bali dito. Regarding spacing of fasteners, preferably 3D, 3 times D. Dito yung kuano 3 times the diameter, which is 24 yung standard diameter, then 24 times 3 times 2, that is 58 ay 48 corrected D. Then mabalin nga 50 data sa 25 mm lang. So 25 mm, clear spacing na, clear spacing niya. Then plus 24 manan bali 75 kuma dito. Nga distance 75. Di kad no 75 150 no ka dito. This is supposed to be 150. Kapag gawin natin 150 to, nagkalas. Then the length of the fastener is 150. Na ang tanong ko, is there an eccentricity of the fastener? Meron bang eccentricity? Ni awang kay sa mo. Umut man kasarita kon. Is there an eccentricity of the fastener? Actually, meron. Kasi, ito ko mano, bunatom dito, na-i-connect lang eh. Nagpinatong lang kasta. So, kaya't na nga sawan, at the eccentricity na ito eh. And the eccentricity is bali equal to 10 mm. Tignan nyo yung sa definition ng X bar. Sa center ng kwan, center ng member, bali dua nga minute alam ko mati cross section na astoy nagabay de kita. Tapos ada pa siner dito eh. Bali detoy Padedo ko majay ko na fasteners. So dito ay kuma at attention member ay at attention load ag tinulyat lang na attention load. So pa kaya applyan ko matisan tension load dito yung asan. Tapos ti connection na ti ag shear ko dito eh. Ti over kwa dito yung parte ti ag shear, di ba? Ito. So yung X bar is 10 mm. No, kasi dito nga na pa kaya applyan yellow de. Diba? Pag towards the monitor dyan may isa, going out of the monitor yung isa. Because at the eccentricity ng 10/2. So, the eccentricity na. Now, if you will be using the case 2, kasi sa case 2, all tension member except plates, kung nanamot dito except plates and it's, and nasa 1, yung plates is not applicable for case 2. So, hindi nyo rin magagamit yan. Di ka case 1, nagka. Case 1. So, subite dito, yan di computation. Yung shear lag factor, U, tilat at pangipanakon. Para maalam nyo kung paano kukunin yung shear lag factor. Ika detoy, effective net area is equal to 2740 2740 times 1. Or this is still equal to 2740 millimeter square. So, pwede nyo nang kunin yung kwan. Nominal strength. Nominal strength piece of yan. Is equal to the effective net area times F sub U. 400 times the shear log effective net area 2740 times 10 to the minus 3 to make it in kilonewton. Then 96, di ba? Then 96 kilonewton. Correct? So, ano nga Rob? Denominal strength na. The failure of the member will be yielding on the gross area, not on the connection. So, ang pugsat data, yielding. Therefore, the nominal strength, kasi whichever is lesser from this. E sub n is equal to 744. If you multiply this by the reduction factor P, gaputa ti nakaalam ti ko na data, P sub U na, reduction factor P times, tignan na pa natin yung P sub U kasi ada tendency nga basbasit dito eh. At basbasit mo ti ko na. Tignan natin. P sub U, basbasit gayam yung reduction factor P na, P sub U. That is equal to 0.90 times 744. That is equal to ano beta? 669.6 kilonewton. Dito sa tensile rupture, this is the P sub U is equal to 1096 times reduction factor P na ka 0.75, tama? Potential rupture. So this is equal to ano yun? 1096 times 822 kilonewton. So ultimate strength dapat ikinunday at P sub U is equal to 669 times 6. Ito ultimate strength na. This must be greater than yung P sub U applied. This is the reduction factor P times P sub N. Reduction factor P. Tanong ko reduction factor P times P sub N. This must be, P sub U, nga pang-comparean tayo di actual. This must be greater or equal to P sub U. Mag-design tayo If this is correct, if reduction factor P times P sub N or the ultimate strength is greater or equal to the applied tension strength or tensile force due to the factored loads for LRFD, then we can say that the tension member is safe. This is for LRFD. Nung kumamat ASD tinugsaryo, jay nominal strength na P sub N over factor of safety over factor of safety that is 744 divided by 1.62. 1.62, tama? Ay, 67. 1.67, and that is equal to 455 and 5. .9. Ngam dito'y mat namin ti compare dito'y datay unfactored load combination. Dito'y ngamin ti compare tay factored load combination. So expect nga dakdakkel di compare dito'y ngam dito'y. Isumot lang nga iso ti result na ASD or ASD method kastat pumayan yun, di ba? Then regarding the staggered arrangement of the passenger, let's say, yung G, ni? Gaapay. Trains ini. Apa pasti mo kinuha na? Let us use, yung ibibigay ko yung G. G equals 75 mm. Tapos, yung S is, say, so dito yung kuha na ko mabaligudwa na. S 40 mm. Bakit 40 mm? Ganito yan. No, alak ko detoy, sa, let's say, 80 detoy, horizontal spacing. Dito yung na dati nga. So, kaya sa 1, na dito yung S no kwa, no 80 detoy, S is 40. Yung pitch. Kasi horizontal ay di spacing parallel to the longitudinal axis on no line of application of the lobe. So, 40 ang ginamit ko dyan. Now, for this case, there are different possible section where the member tear. It may be tear on this section. Mabalimet nga dito nga section. Tapos, mabaling posibleng pagtiran na dito, pakastol, siya. Pag dito, siyempre, ti area net na, may isa lang hole dito eh. Nadalapos na. Ngamda dito, yagpay sa dakdakal, ito eh, surutan na. Mabalin met nga dalat ako dito mangigawid na ko. Dito, no, nagpugsap dito na tendency na Igawid man na gito yan, magaling nga kasi ito eh. Babalimat nga kasta. So, ikaklat tati ko dito yan. I will make this as A. So, ito, A, basit ko man, and 5. Then, ito, B. Tapos, ito, C. Then, D. And E. So, yung possible na hearing section are section C, may saleta. Tapos, section A, B, C, D, E. And section A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. Dahil ti posible nga pagpilan na. No, anati kabasitan nita. So, for this case, yung A-net, A sub N, equal to 300 minus, nasulbar pa dito yan. Isulat ta kopya aklatan. Dito yan ti may isa lang nga section manuti A-net dito. A-net cut 2740, di ba? Ito may isa lang whole. Dito